now flipped it.
When you're ready.
I just crashed it. Update on the crash one after I just rolled it an hour ago. I didn't have my hood pins in, so the hood flew off of it. It got all bent up, but it should straighten out. And my dash was loose, so it bent it down, but I just need to tighten the bolts up on it. It's got some battle scars on it, but I'm not sure why, but that front tire just rolled in and over I went. I didn't get hurt other than I got a little road rash on my arm. And I've learned from wrecking on blacktop before, you want to tuck and roll, you don't want to slide. But I'm fine, the tractor's fine, it still starts and drives.